Repayable put or when you are issuing the share, it is a discount. Bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. Bank account data 100, loss on issue of debenture account data 50, debenture account data 1,25,000, debenture premium account data 6,250. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3, third semester BBA. The session goes in favor of issue and redemption of debenture. In the last session, I told you about the issue of share. Now, redemption means payback debenture. We'll move on to next slide now. See that. It means payback of debenture condition. First condition I will explain. If the debentures are issued at par, payable at par, issued at par, payable at par, receive the money, and first entry, bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. If I receive 4 lakh, what's the entry? Bank account data 4 lakh to debenture account 4 lakh. When you pay back the money 4 lakh only, debenture account data to bank account. If it is a 5 lakh, bank account data 5 lakh to debenture account 5 lakh. If we pay back 5 lakh rupees, debenture account data to bank account. So this entry first condition goes. Then second condition, debenture issued at a discount, repayable put or well you are issuing the share, it is a discount. What is the entry? Bank account data, discount account data to debenture account. While you are paying back, you are paying the par entry, debenture account data to bank account. If you took a loan of 1 lakh rupees, but you receive only 90,000, 10,000 discount, the entry is bank account data 90,000, discount account data 10,000 to debenture account 1 lakh. Paid at par, debenture account data 1 lakh to bank account 1 lakh. This is the entry. I will repeat. If you took the debenture of rupees 2 lakh, by chance you have taken only 1,80,000, how much discount? 20,000 rupees discount, entry. Bank account data 1,80,000, discount account data 20,000, to debenture account data 2 lakh. Paid at par, debenture account data 2 lakh, to bank account 2 lakh. Then, this is the second condition. Third condition, debenture issued at premium, payable at par. First condition, received at par, repaid at par. Second condition, taken at a discount, repaid at par. Third condition, issued at a premium, paid at par. Entry, bank account data to debenture account to debenture premium account. This is issued at premium, but paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. So issued at premium, what's the entry? Bank account data to debenture account to debenture premium, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. So 3 condition over, taken at par, repaid at par, issued at a discount, paid at par. Third condition, issued at premium, paid at par. We'll go to fourth entry. Debenture issued at par, repayable at premium. So you issued debenture at rupees 100. You pay the premium of 150 pay. How much paid more? 50 rupees. That 50 rupees is a loss. How to pass the entry? Bank account data 100. Loss on issue of debenture account data 50. To debenture 100. To debenture premium 50. I will repeat. What's your face value? 100. But paid at 150. At a loss of 50. Premium is a loss to you. What's the entry? Bank account data 100. Loss on issue of debenture account data 50, to debenture account 100, to debenture premium 50. Now, issued at par, repayable. Now, pay issued at par, repayable at premium. Debenture account data, debenture premium account data to debenture. So, taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value. What's the meaning? Taken at a lower value, paid at higher value. This is debenture account data, debenture premium account data to debenture. These are all the conditions we are going to do. Next one. Debenture issued at premium, repayable at premium. Issued at premium, repayable at premium. Premium is a loss. So your face value is 100. Issued at a premium of 25. repaid another 25, 50 rupees. Excess you have paid. So you took 100 plus 125. While you are paying back, you pay 150 rupees. How much paid more? 50 rupees. Bank account debt are 100. Loss on issue of debenture account debt are 50. To debenture account 100. To debenture, so here now, bank account debt you receive only 100. Loss on issue of debenture account debt are 50. So this is 150. To debenture account debt, to debenture premium account debt. Here you must be very careful here now. We got bank account debt, loss on issue of debenture, taken, issued at premium, repayable at premium, issued at premium, repayable at premium. You are paying more. How much paying more is most important. How much premium is payable? Here, issued at premium 100, 125. Payable at premium another 25, 50. Entry, bank account debt are 100, loss on issue of debenture account debt are 50, to debenture 100, to debenture premium 50. You paid at a premium. So we can say that another way, bank account debt are actually received, issued at premium and received at premium. You can say that bank account debt are 125, loss on issue of debenture account 25, to debenture 100, to here now we have got now to debenture you have to pay back, to debenture here now bank account debt, loss on issue of debenture account debt, to debenture premium, to premium and redemption of debenture. Here one entry, one more entry you have to pass here now. Bank account debt are 100, loss on issue of debenture account debt are 50, to debenture premium 25, to premium and redemption of debenture 25, to debenture 100. Here, 3 entries will come. How it is? Bank account debt are 100, loss on issue of debenture account 50, to debenture account 100, to debenture premium 25, to premium on redemption of debenture 25. So taken at a premium, repayable at a premium. What's your face value? 100. Premium is 25. Payable another 25, 150. What's the entry? Bank account debt are 100. Loss on issue of debenture account debt are 50. To debenture 100. To debenture premium 25. To premium on redemption of debenture 25. Payback, debenture account debt are 100. Here now, debenture account, totally we have taken 100. This is your 100. Issued at premium 25. But repayable at premium also 25. You are going to pay 150. So here you have to show that 150 here now. Debenture account debt are 125. Debenture premium account debt are 25. To bank account 150. How to show? Debenture account debt are 125, including the premium received. Debenture premium account debt, debenture account debt are 100 instead of 100 no. Here no, repayable at premium, issued at premium, repayable at premium. Debenture account debt are 100, debenture premium account debt are 25, to bank account 125. But when you are showing 150, loss you are going to show. That's all. Then here, issued at par, repayable at discount, he said. First, when you receive the money, bank account, debt to debenture account, 100. Repayable at discount, you take at rupees 100, paid at rupees 90 only. How much you won't pay? 10 rupees. Entry, debenture account debt are 100, to bank, debenture account debt are 100, to bank account 90, to redemption of debenture only 10 rupees again. This is a profit. To profit on redemption. What's the entry? Debenture account debt are 100, to bank account 90 you are going to pay. How much profit you got? 10 rupees profit you got. Carefully you have to pay regarding the issue of, that is no. This is very important. Issued at premium, repayable at premium is no. Is very, very important. Issued at premium, repayable at premium. While you are issuing the premium, repayable at further premium, no, it's a loss on debenture. So, debenture account debt, debenture premium account debt to bank account. So, while you are solving the problem, I will explain once again. Then, if the debenture issued at premium but repayable at a discount. First issue entry at a premium, bank account debtor to debenture account to debenture premium issued at a premium but repayable at a discount, debenture account debtor to bank account to profit on redemption. You pay less. Taken debenture account debtor 100 to bank account lower value to profit on redemption. Taken at rupees 100, paid at 90 at a profit of 10 rupees, paid at a low value. Issued at a premium but paid at a discount means lower value you are going to pay. Then, now we'll go with the problem now. Slowly you have to go now. Issue 50,000 6% debenture at par, redeemable at par. So here rupees 50,000. What's the entry? Bank account debtor 50,000 to 6% debenture account 50,000. Next entry 6% debenture account debtor 50,000 to bank account 50,000. Taken at par, repayable at par. What's the entry? Bank account debtor to debenture account debtor to bank account. What's the entry? Past no. Bank account debtor 50,000 to 6% debenture account 50,000. You pay back the same value. 6% debenture account debtor 50,000 to bank account 50,000. Taken at rupees 50,000, paid at rupees 50,000. First entry. Bank account debtor 50,000 to 6% debenture 50,000 taken at par. You receive the money. B. Paid at same thing. 6% debenture account debtor paid with the same value 50,000 to bank account 50,000. Means taken at par, paid at par. What's the entry? Bank account debtor to debenture account debtor to bank account. So bank account debtor 50,000 to 6% debenture account 50,000. Next entry 6% debenture account debtor to bank account. So this goes in favor of at par. What's the next entry? This over. Issue of rupees 70,000, 6% debenture at a discount of 10%, but redeemable at issued at a discount, redeemable at par. First issue entry. So 70,000, 10% is 7,000 gone means 63,000 we are going to receive. Second entry. Bank account debtor, in the bracket, 70,000, 10% means 7,000 gone. 63,000 discount on debenture or discount account debtor 10% of 70 means 7,000 to 6% debenture 70,000. Now paid at par they say. This is A, paid at par, 6% debenture account debtor, 70,000 to bank account, 70,000. Paid at par. Received at a discount, paid at par. First entry. Bank account debtor 63,000, discount account debtor 7,000 to 6% debenture 70,000, paid at par 6% debenture account debtor 70,000 to bank account 70,000. So this entry goes Third entry, issue of rupees 40,000, 6% debenture at premium of 5% redeemable par. Here, third case, issued at premium but paid at par. So 40,000, 5% means here no, 2,000, it is 42,000 entry. Third entry, bank account debtor. What's your face value now? 40,000, 5% means 2,000. You are receiving 42,000. Issued at 42,000. 2, 6% debenture, 40,000. 2, debenture premium, 2,000. Issued at premium. What's the entry? Bank account debtor 42,000, 2 debenture account 40,000, 2 debenture premium 2,000. Issued at premium but repayable at par. 6% debenture account debtor, 40,000, 2 bank account, 40,000. Paid at par. Issued at premium, paid at par. So, third entry goes. This also goes. Fourth entry, issue of rupees 15,000, 6% debenture at par, redeemable at 10% premium. So 15,000 we have taken. How much you have to pay back? 10% means 1,500. How much extra you have to pay? 1,500 you have to pay extra money. Here, issue 15,000, 10% of 15,000 is 1,500 you have to pay. So totally we have to pay 15 plus 1,000, 16,500 you have to pay. While you are paying the debenture, issue 15,000 par redeemable premium. So next entry, debenture account debtor 15,000, debenture premium account debtor 1,500, to 6% debenture account 16,500. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account. First entry, bank account debtor. Here, redeemable bank account debtor 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account debtor 15,000, 10% means 1,500, 16,500, to 6% debenture 16,500. You are paying the premium. 6% debenture account debtor 15,000, debenture premium account debtor 1,500, to bank account 16,500 you have to pay. I will repeat. 15,000, 6% at par, redeemable at par, issued at par, redeemable at 10%, means how much extra money you are going to pay? 1,500. Entry, bank account debtor 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account debtor 1,500, to debenture account debtor 15,000, to debenture premium 1,500. Now you have to pay back. 6% debenture account debtor 15,000, debenture premium account debtor 1,500, to bank account 16,500. We'll pass the entry. The 6% debenture account debtor, 6% debenture account debtor 15,000. Loss on issue of debenture, loss on issue of debenture 1,500, to here 6% debenture account debtor, loss on issue of debenture account debtor, to 6% debenture, but you receive only this amount, no? This is bank account debtor. Actually, what's the entry? You receive the bank account debtor, no? bank account debt are 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account 1,500, to 6% debenture account 16,500. You receive only 15,000 now. What's the entry? Bank account debt are 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account 1,500, to 6% debenture 16,500. This is the entry. You have to pay back now. 6% debenture account debt are 15,000. Premium on debenture 1,500. To bank account 16,500. You are paying the premium. So you suffered a loss of how much? Taken at par, repayable, you suffer a loss of 1,500. Last entry. This over. Issue 1,25,000, 6% debenture at 5% discount, redeemable at 5% premium. What's your face value? 1,25,000. Discount 5%. So 1,25,000 into 5 divided by 100. So 6,250. Then redeemable at 10% premium, 1,25,000. On the 10% premium, 10% means 12,500, 6,250. So total loss is 18,000. You receive 1,18,750, 1,25,000. How much discount? 6,250. How much cash you are going to receive? 1,18,750. What's the entry? Bank account debt are 1,18,750. Loss on issue of debenture account 18,750. To debenture account 1,25,000. To debenture premium 12,500. So what's your face value? 1,25,000, 5% discount means 6,250 gone. How much you are going to receive? 1,18,750. Another way, while you are paying the premium, how much premium you are going to pay? 12,500. Totally you have to pay 18,750. Entry. Bank account debt are 1,18,750. Loss on issue of debenture account 18,750. To debenture account 1,25,000. Here, to debenture premium account 12,500. Carefully you have to do. I will repeat. Your face value is 1,25,000. Discount is 6,250 gone. What's the balance? 1,18,750 you are going to receive. But while you are paying the money, 1,18,750, 6,250 plus 12,500, it comes to 18,750 is the loss. So bank account debt are 1,18,750. Loss on issue of debenture account 18,750. To debenture account 1,25,000. To debenture premium 12,500. First we'll pass the entry. Then we see that how much will be. So what is the first entry? Bank account debt are, loss on issue of debenture account debt are. Here first is he says no. Last entry issue 1,25,000. So 1,25,000. On that 6,250 has gone. So while you are paying the money, you have got issued at here, issue of rupees 1,25,000, 6% debenture at 5% discount, redeemable at 5% premium. So another 6,250. So discount is 6,050, premium payable are of 6,250. So you are paying extra money 12,000. Taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value. Taken at 1,18,750, you are paying 1,25,000 plus 12,500 you are going to pay. 1,37,500 you are going to pay. So taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value. 1,25,000, premium is 6,250. I will tell you the entry. First entry. Bank account debtor. Actually, your amount is 1,25,000. On that 5% discount gone, 1,18,750. 1,18,750. Discount is 6,250. Premium also 5%. So totally how much you lost? 12,500 is the loss. Loss on issue of debenture. So totally 6,250, 6,250, 12,500, 2 debenture. What's your face value? 1,25,000. 2 debenture premium. 2 debenture premium. 6,250. See that debit side should be equal to credit side. This is 5213. 523. So what's the entry? Bank account debtor 1,18,750. Loss on issue of debenture account debtor 12,500. 2 debenture account 1,25,000. 2 debenture premium 6,250. Now you have to pay back. Last entry. You have to pay back here. 7th entry, no place. Debenture account debtor. What's your face value of the debenture? 1,25,000. Debenture premium account debtor. You have to pay back with the premium. Debenture account debtor 1,25,000. Debenture premium account debtor 6,250. To bank account. Add 05213. You are going to pay 1,31,250. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, loss on issue of debenture account debtor, 2 debenture account, 2 debenture premium. Will pay back now. Debenture account debtor 1,25,000. Debenture premium account debtor 6,250. To bank account 1,31,250. So taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value. You are going to pay higher value here. So taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value you are going to do. Slowly we have to do here now. You have to do very slowly here now, then only you can understand. So here now, taken at par, redeemable at par, taken at par, taken at a discount, redeemable at par, taken at a premium, redeemable at here now. Here the entry goes now, therefore you can see the entry. Taken at par, redeemable at par, bank account debtor 50,000, 2 debenture account 50,000, debenture account debtor 50,000, 2 bank account 50,000. Here at a discount, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to debenture account debtor to bank account. Issued at premium, bank account debtor, 2 debenture account, 2 debenture premium, paid at a premium, debenture account debtor, debenture premium account debtor to bank account. Issue 15,006 par, redeemable at 10% premium. So bank account debtor 15,000, loss on issue of debenture account 1,500, 2 debenture account 15,000, 2 debenture premium 1,500. You are paying with a premium. Debenture account debtor 15,000, debenture premium account debtor 1,500, 2 debenture, 2 bank account 16,500. Issue at 1,25,000 at 5% discount, redeemable at 5%, means you are the loser of 10%. The last entry carefully you have to do. Bank account data 1,18,750. Loss on issue of debenture account 6,250, 6,250, 12,500. To debenture account 1,25,000. To debenture premium 6,250. While your payback debenture account data 1,25,000. Debenture premium account data 6,250. To bank account 1,31,250 you have to pay. Once you make the entry such a way that we can go with the same entry. So you must be careful about the entries now. Taken at par, redeemable at par. What's the entry? Bank account data to debenture account. Next entry, debenture account data to bank account. Taken at a discount, bank account data, discount account data to debenture account. Paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. Taken at a premium, bank account data to debenture account, to debenture premium, paid at a premium, debenture account data, debenture premium account data to bank account, taken at a discount, redeemable at premium, bank account data, loss on issue of debenture account data, to debenture account, to debenture premium, paid at a premium, debenture account data, debenture premium account data to bank account. So you have to see that so many things taken at par, redeemable at par, taken at a lower value, paid at a higher value becomes the loss to you to the extent of double entry. Totally 90, 10 here, 110, 10, 20 rupees is the loss. So bank account data 90, loss on issue of debenture 20, to debenture 100, to debenture premium 10 rupees. So total loss we are going to face. You must be very, very careful. So when you are passing the entry, you must be very careful. Entry you have to pass now. Here, this will come only for 10 marks. So you must be very careful. So we'll have some more problem in the next session, another 3 or 4 problems in the next session. Till then, goodbye.